This is the set of ribs, and here is the Scotch fillet. Out of the set of ribs, I'm now going to show you how to make a tomahawk steak, a ribeye on the bone. Find your short ribs, make a standing rib roast, but first I have to remove the chine bone and then the feather bone. To remove the feather bone, I run my knife hard against it, releasing the meat. Stand the set of ribs up on its end, line the chine bone up with the bandsaw blade and gently push it through. First the tomahawk, hold your knife hard against the second rib and slice all the way down. And there's a tomahawk steak. Next, the short ribs, and I'll cut these 75mm out from the eye of the Scotch fillet. Push gently through the bandsaw. And there's your beef short ribs. Next, I'm going to remove the cap from the rib set following the seam. Then follow along the edge of the Scotch fillet, removing the meat. And the intercostals. And there's your French standing rib roast. From the standing rib, I can also cut a ribeye on the bone. To remove the Scotch fillet, first of all, must mark along the feather bones with our boning knife. Careful not to cut into the Scotch fillet. Gently pull the meat away as we slice. Then turn the set of ribs around, standing it up on its end. And you'll notice a nice little seam starting to open up hard against the bone. Follow that seam, keeping our knife hard against the bone and slice straight down, following the contour of the rib bones. Remove your bones, and you'll see in there, we'll see a beautiful tender Scotch fillet sitting right there. At the back end there, you'll see there's that paddy whack again. Just gently pull that out, roll the Scotch fillet out. Once you can't go any further, just slice it off. And there we have your Scotch fillet, ready for slicing.